नमस्ते एवरीवन। सो मेरा नाम आयुष है। आई एम फ्रॉम बैंगलोर। सो आई एम वर्किंग इन अ स्टार्टअप. So my journey with Arun sir has been no less than a miracle. So I'll just tell you a little story. I was facing lot of back issues, like a lot. Like I was not able to get up. I have spent so much of money with the doctors by doing MRI, scans, taking lot of statins, painkillers. My situation was terrible, and then luckily I found Arun sir, and the funny incident is he's so humble. He used to come to my house. We used to do yoga because of my back issues. I always used to do yoga on my bed. Can you imagine? I was so bad. I used to do yoga on my bed, and he used to do on the mat, on the ground. So I used to feel so bad. I used to pray ki Bhagwan, when I will get up and start doing yoga with him. And he always used to motivate me, ki like slowly do. It's okay. The things will recover. You will start doing yoga properly. And finally, like after I can say that from last 1.5 years, I have zero back issues. I have I have sinus issues, which he fixed it by pranayam. He always motivates his students. If I take leaves for more than 2 3 days, he'll just keep on pinging, "Where are you? Come do yoga." He motivates you so much. Like the best part is he's not at all money minded. He always wants best for his students. So this is something I really like about him. Uh, I just want to thank Arun sir for being there with me, helping me out, and helping so many people like us. So thank you so much. Yeah, take care. Bye.
Namaste, health and happiness family. I hope you are in tune with your workout every single day of your life. Please believe that miracle is there only in the simplicity. It's not about being the healthiest or being the strongest person. It's all about finding that balance. How balanced you are in your life, in your normal day-to-day life, with your work, with your family, with your friends, with your society, your health, the most important thing. Our aim is to create a system in you. Our aim is to create a habit in you which will help you to be in tune with your workout so that you can avoid all the complications, so that we can live as long as possible without much friction in our life, by not consuming unnecessary medicines, by not getting affected by all these chronic ailments, all this BP, sugar, diabetic kind of conditions, and so on, and so many things are there, right? So you can join our classes, which happens from Monday to Friday, on online live classes, at your convenient time. You can call us to get more details from us. Thank you very much. I'll see you in my next video.